10 Worst Natural Disasters in the World. Here are some of the worst natural disasters that have ever occurred. If history has taught us anything, it is that disasters can happen again. Disasters can come at any time, so be ready for them. We'll discover that the majority of these catastrophes were not something that people anticipated happening to us. Number 1. Haiti Earthquake of 2010. We shall first examine the 2010 Haitian earthquake. One of the most recent natural disasters is this one. One of the strongest earthquakes the world has ever experienced had a magnitude of 7.0. Many people felt the tremors when it shook Haiti. Over 200,000 people died, leaving millions homeless and in need of immediate help. Number 2. Hurricane Katrina of 2005. One of the worst hurricanes to strike the Gulf Coast in recent years was Hurricane Katrina. Actually, it was the 6th strongest hurricane to ever strike the United States. Both the number of individuals who died and the amount of damage were significant. In actuality, this hurricane caused about $81 billion in damages that needed to be fixed. It had disastrous repercussions. Number 3. Hurricane Andrew of 1993. Another hurricane that struck the United States and left a lasting impression was Hurricane Andrew. It was ranked directly above Hurricane Katrina as the 5th worst hurricane to make landfall in the U.S. It caused a great deal of mortality, left behind enormous ruin, and resulted in billions of dollars in property loss. Number 4. Tohoku Earthquake and Tsunami. The magnitude of this earthquake, which struck Japan in 2011, was 9.0. As a result, it ranks among the strongest earthquakes to ever shake the nation. It is, in fact, the strongest ever observed in their history. Millions of people were killed, injured, or went missing as a result of this earthquake, which also caused extensive building damage, and even a tragedy that may have resulted in a nuclear catastrophe. Within minutes of the earthquake, tsunami waves as high as 23.6 meters, 77 feet were set off and reached Japan. Number 5. Tsunami of 2004. On December 26, 2004, Sunday at 0:58 UTC, a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 9.0 struck the coast of Sumatra, setting off tsunamis that rushed through the coastal districts of a dozen countries bordering the Indian Ocean. It caused the deaths of between 225,000 and 275,000 people in 14 nations, with Indonesia being the worst affected, followed by Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. One of the deadliest disasters in recorded history, it is reported to have produced waves up to 30 meters or 100 feet high. Number 6. Tangshan Earthquake. Tangshan, China, an industrial city of around 1 million people, was devastated by a strong earthquake measuring 8.3 on the Richter scale on July 28, 1976. Numerous people died as a result of the enormous earthquake, which also severely damaged both life and property. Approximately 255,000 people are thought to have died. Number 7. Cyclone Nargis. On May 2, 2008, Cyclone Nargis wreaked havoc in Myanmar. Around 140,000 people lost their lives as a result of the cyclone, which also destroyed heavily inhabited areas around the Irrawaddy River Delta in Myanmar. After Typhoon Nina in 1975, the damages were estimated to have cost $10 billion and were the second deadliest in recorded history. Number 8. 2008 China Earthquake. On May 12, 2008, China's Sichuan province experienced its largest earthquake at 7.9 on the Richter scale. The earthquake claimed the lives of around 87,000 people. Millions were left homeless as a result. Under the debris of their destroyed communities, thousands of them were buried. It took a lot of effort for troops and rescue teams to reach parts in southwestern China where factories, schools, and homes had collapsed. Number 9. 2003 Iran Earthquake. The city of Bam and the nearby Kerman province in southeast Iran sustained significant damage as a result of a powerful earthquake that the United States Geological Survey estimates to have measured 6.6 on the Richter scale. Approximate numbers indicate that 26,000 people died and 30,000 were hurt. Number 10. 2005 Pakistan Earthquake. The 2005 Kashmir earthquake was 7.6 on the Richter scale. In Kashmir and northwest Pakistan, 80,000 people are thought to have died. There were over 1,400 fatalities in Kashmir, which is administered by India, as well as neighboring Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Western China, and other nations. Our planet has been significantly impacted by a wide range of severe natural disasters. Epic calamities don't happen very frequently, but it appears like the more the Earth revolves, the more catastrophes there are. being prepared, or as prepared as you can be, is always a good idea. You're self-ready so you can plan accordingly and take shelter. Thank you for watching. We hope you discovered something new today about deadliest natural disaster ever recorded. Check out our other videos for more interesting places and things.